In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a manager to Homebase. We will walk through each click together so your new manager can get the right access on their own account. To get started, open Homebase. Once it loads, you should see your main dashboard with things like schedule, time tracking, and team areas along the top or side. Make sure you are signed into the owner or admin account, since only those levels can add a manager. If you use the mobile app, the screen will be smaller, but you will still see similar labels for the main sections. Now go to Team. On the dashboard, look for the section or tab labeled Team and click it. When it opens, you should see a list of your current employees with their names, roles, and sometimes their status. This is where all staff profiles live, including managers you add. A quick tip here, if you have a lot of people, there might be a search bar or filter at the top, but for now we are focused on adding someone new. From there, click Add Employee or Add Team Member. The exact wording can vary slightly between web and mobile, but it is usually a clear button near the top right or bottom of the team list. Once you click it, Homebase should open a new form or window where you can enter the new manager's information. If you do not see that form, check that the previous click actually registered and try again. Next up, enter the manager's details. Start with their name. Type their first and last name exactly how you want it to appear in the schedule and reports. This is what everyone on the team will see, so spelling it correctly helps avoid confusion, especially if you have people with similar names. After the name, add their phone number. Enter a number they actually use for work, because Homebase can send text alerts about shifts or updates. If you have an international number, make sure you include the correct country code so they can receive those messages without issues. Then enter their email address. This email becomes their login for Homebase, so double check for typos before you move on. If a manager says they never got an invite later, the most common reason is one wrong letter in their email, so it is worth reading it carefully now. With the basic details in, select the role as manager. You should see a list of role options such as employee, manager, or sometimes owner or admin. Choose manager so Homebase knows this person should have higher level controls than regular staff, but not full owner access. Once selected, you will usually see that reflected next to their name in the preview of their profile. Now choose the permissions they need. You can fine-tune what this specific manager can do. This flexibility helps you match their authority to their actual job. Start with schedule access. Turn this on if you want them to create, edit, or publish schedules. With schedule access, they can usually see all shifts and make changes for the team, which is ideal for shift leaders or department heads. Next, check time clock access. Enable this if you want the manager to review or manage time clock entries, like approving edits or checking who is currently clocked in. Managers with this access can usually adjust missed punches, which can affect payroll accuracy. Then look at team messaging. Turn this on if you want them to send messages to staff groups or individual team members inside Homebase. Team messaging is useful for sharing shift changes or announcements without needing separate apps. If you see payroll or timesheet access, choose it if available and needed. This permission lets the manager review timesheets and sometimes export or prepare data for payroll. If your payroll is sensitive, you might give this only to a trusted general manager or office manager. Once all their permissions look right, click Save or Send Invite. On some versions, Save might store the profile without sending an email, while Send Invite emails the manager a link to set up their account. After you click, you should see a brief confirmation on the screen, and the new manager will now appear on your team list with the manager role visible. Finally, the new manager receives an invitation to join Homebase. They can open that email, create their password, and log in with the permissions you just set. You have now added a manager in Homebase with the exact access they need, ready to help you run your team. If this walkthrough made adding your manager smoother, please give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you want more simple Homebase tips.